Good morning, students. Once again, you are most welcome in our channel. Today, I will teach you exercise 1.2. It is subject of mathematics for the students of class 10th. So, I continue it because in previous videos I have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and so on. So today I have selected question number 6. So see here, question number 6. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of the integers by applying the fundamental theorem of arithmetic method. It means once again we have to solve and get LCM and HCF of two numbers here. Okay, three parts of questions are given here. First part is 455 and 78. In second part 408 and 170. And here third part is 13 and 11. Means in this question three parts are given. Okay, so we have to solve one by one each part. Okay, so now we see here we have to apply fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay, by using this method we have to find LCM and HCF of given pairs of integers. Okay, first pair is 455 and 78. We can solve here. First part 455 and 78. For fundamental theorem, we have to know that what is prime number, what is composite number. As in earlier classes, we have studied it. But I will remind you here what is prime number. Those numbers which cannot be divided any other number except one and number itself. It means the number which cannot be divided by other number than one and number itself is called prime number. Means that number will be divided by only one and number itself. That is called prime number. Okay? And what is composite number? Those numbers which can be divided at least to one number other than one and itself. Okay? Means the number which is divided, means which can be divided at least one other number than one and the number itself. Okay? So it is called composite numbers. Okay, it is called composite number. Means at least one number should be also there which can easily divide that number except one and number itself. It's right. So it is called composite number. Now we continue here. First of all we have to factorize here. 455 is factorized here. 5. First of all 5. 5 1 is 45, 5 1 is 5. Again 7 1 is 7, 2 remainder here and 21 we get here. 7 3 is 21. Now it is 13. We take here 13. 13 into 13. So we find here the prime factors are 5 into 7 into 13. Okay. Now we have to use fundamental theorem of arithmetic method. So for representation of this method, we take here help of factor tree. What is factor tree? In this way. When we denote prime factors in this way, this is called factor tree. See here, 455 is the number and first divisor is 5, means first factor is 5. We can say here, we can write 5 and second part is means remaining part is 91. Now we again factorize 91 in two parts, 7 and 13. Okay, so we see here that this is the last factor, means 7 and 13. So same as the second part of this question means first part of this question. First number is 455 and second number is 78. We take the second number here. Same as we take into the box here. 78 is taken in box. Okay. Now we have to factorize. As earlier cases we have factorized many questions. 78 2 3 ja 6, 1 remainder 18, 2 9 ja 18, here 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 13 ja 13. Here we find factor 2 into 3 into 13. So we can denote here in tree form like that as this question. Okay, can be solved here also this question. See here 2 is the first factor, 2 and remainder is here 39. Again 39 is factorized here by 3 and remainder is 13. So we can write here 3 and 30 is the last factor here. Okay. Now we have to find SCF. So we can write here prime factors 5 into 7 into 13 here, 5 into 7 into 13. Here prime factors are 2 into 3 into 13. Okay. By the basis of factor tree. Now what is SCF and LCM? First of all we selected LCM. LCM of 405 and 78 is here. 5 into 7 is taken here. 13 is common, so we write here at last, and 2 into 3 also written here. So we can multiply here because we have to take all numbers. So we have taken here. Now we multiply 5 7 ja 35, 35 to 70, 70 to 3 ja 210, and when we multiply 210 by 13 we get here 2713. Okay, so it is our LCM. And now SCF, as we know very well, the highest common factor is SCF. Here is 13 and here is also 13, here is also 13. So we can say that 13 is the highest common factor in both numbers, means 455 and 78. So we can write here SCF of 455 and 78 is equal to 13. Okay. You can see here we have to prepare this type of structure. This is called tree, factor tree for both numbers, and by using this method, in this way we can find LCM and SCF. It's okay. Now we see our other question. You can take a screenshot. Now we continue here. Question number 7. Okay. We have completed question number 6. First part I have taught you, and second part and third part of question 6 you have to complete. Okay. If you have any problem, you can ask. Okay. So here I have selected question number 7. Find the LCM and SCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. Means 3 parts of the questions here given. First part is 275, 225 and 175. These are 3 numbers are given in first part, and in second part 765, 510 and 408 are given here in second part, and in third part 19, 13, 19, 13 and 7. These are 3 numbers given in third part. Okay. So I will solve here first part and you have to solve second and third part. Okay. On the basis of first part. So see here carefully. First of all, we select here numbers 275, 225 and 175 for the first part. Okay. Now we have to factorize it. Prime factors of this means we can write here prime factors of 275, 225 and 175 be. What will be here? We can see here we have already factorized it, but you have to write in this way. Okay. 5 into 5 into 11 for 275 and 225 for 3 3 9, 9 5 45, 45 225. Okay. Now 75, 5 times 25, 25 7 ja 175. But how can you get easily by earlier method? We select here 275. Okay. We factorize here 5, 5 ja 25. Carry 2 and here 25, 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5 means 11 is remainder. Again 11 1 ja 11. Now we can here find 5 into 5 into 11. This is for this. Okay. Second number is 225. We get here 225. It also we considered it is divided by first of all 3. 3 7 ja 21. Carry on 1 and 15. 3 5 ja 15. Again 3 2 ja 6. 100 here and 15. 3 5 ja 15. Again 5 5 ja 25. Again 5 1 ja 5. We find here prime factors 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Same as third number is here. You can write here 175 is our third number. So we can write here in this way. It will not consider by 3. We take here 5. 5 3 ja 15. 2 25. 5 5 ja 25. And here 5. 5 7 ja 35. 5 7 ja 35. Now we get here 7. 7 1 ja 7. Our prime factor here for this 5 into 5 into 7. Okay. We can put these values in this way. Okay. Now very easily we have to find your LCM. LCM of these three numbers. We can write here LCM of 275, 225 and 175 is equal to what will be LCM? We take here 2 times 3. Okay. 2 times 3. 3 into 3. Now again 2 times 5 are common here. We can take 2 times 5 here common. And now 7 is here remaining and here 11 is. In this way we have to write here in this case. Okay. Now we multiply here 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45. Okay. 3 3 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45, 45 5 ja 45 into 5, 5 5 ja 25. Carry on to 5 4 ja 20, 22, 225. Okay. Now here. Okay. Now 7 multiply by 7. 7 5 ja 35. Carry on 3. 7 to the 14 3 17. Carry on 1. 7 to the 14 1 15. This one 15 175. Now again by 11 multiply by 11. 11 5 ja 55. Carry on 5. 11 7 77. 77 5. 82. Carry on 8. 11 5 ja 55. 55 8 63. Carry on 6. 11 11 6. 1700 325. 17 325. This is our LCM. Okay. In this way we can say that 17,325 is our LCM. It's right. Now what is SCF? SCF of 275 225 and we can write here in this way. For discussing, this is LCM here and HCF. We can write here HCF. HCF of these three numbers 275, 225 and 175 is equal to, we can see here what is the highest common factor here. 5 into 5, 5 into 5, 5 into 5 means 5 into 5 is the highest common factor. Now we can say 25 is HCF. This is our answer. You can check it and solve it.